out there. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? Since because of summer season, we are going to update lots and lots of cotton stuffs, and which is very comfortable and airy also. So whoever has skin allergy, this, that, and everything can definitely go for this stuff because these are all cottons with value added. Today what we are going to show is value added with neck patterns. You can find nice hand embroideries with this lovely dupatta with value added kind of materials. The first one is this, which I am wearing. The second is this. All comes with a neck pattern today. Little value added item so that it gives you a nice look, and also it's made in India and we are giving job for other people also. So it is in that way indirectly we are helping a lot of people by buying materials with handworks, and these are all the work. And see, this dupatta is so pretty. It comes with a nice decent gotapati work. See this, the top, lovely beautiful pink color with a mild mustard yellow color dupatta, and this is the cotton pant for this. All are cottons. Read the descriptions carefully and then place your orders. Right? This dupatta is so pretty and I'm loving this dress. See, this is a hand block printed top, and it comes with a nice hand work on the neck pattern. And see, the dupatta is amazing in this. So the more the value added is, the more the little bit the budget will be on the little higher end. And then this is the pant for this. And what's next? It's a lovely decent yellow color with a gotapati work. The gotapati work is really mild. It's not too heavy. You can see it's very mild and beautiful. And this is the printed pant for this, and value added dupatta. See this, bandhani. It's original bandhani dupatta. And then once again, all beautiful yellows. Even if it is yellow, the yellows are very different in its own way. This is little brighter yellow, which comes with a nice handwork, abla work on the neck pattern. Lovely, it is so nice. Times we can go for such neck patterns. And this is the pant, and this is a beautiful chiffon dupatta. The dupatta is very light and airy also. So lovely it is. And then it's a different mustard yellow color. See the neck pattern. Once again, it's abla work, abla work, and with a thread works. All right, and this comes with a pant, and dupatta is so pretty, tie and dye concept, and with a chiffon dupatta. Oh, this color is so nice and different. Whoever is looking for different color, guys, you can go for this. It's a little bit of purple mixed pale rose color kind of. So the neck pattern is awesome. See this, and this is the pant, and this comes with the amazing gotapati worked dupatta, all with a human touch, handwork. How lovely it is, right? And comes my dark colors. Yeah, see this, black. The work is so nice and the color combination is awesome. You can find beautiful hand embroideries. No machine embroidery at all are hand embroideries. And see this concept, pant and lovely dupatta. Dupatta is so nice. And then this is a deep green color. Deep greens are now into trend with a mustard yellow combination. See this. It also comes with a gotapati work and beads and nice hand works all over the neck. And then this is the dupatta. The amazing part is this lovely bandhani dupatta. Then see this. This is a deep navy blue color. Such a beautiful color. It suits everybody with a beautiful neck pattern. Once again, it's a handwork. And this is the pant, and this is a chiffon dupatta. Some may not like this. You can cut it off, but this is also okay. It's so pretty looking. And see this art black, beautiful black. I'm just searching words. Apart from beautiful, what else I can say? It's so lovely with all handworks. You can find human touch and make in India concept, and our dotted pant with a polka dots dupatta, chiffon dupatta. See, you can find tassels on both the sides. Then once again a neck pattern handwork, and it's a rose color, pinkish peachish rose color kind of, and this is the neck pattern for this, and this is the pant, and this is the chiffon dupatta. Once again it's black. Black, who don't like black, just let me know. See, this is also a beautiful handwork with abla and white beads. It's so nice and it gels with the top. And see, this is the printed pant, and this comes with the amazing printed dupatta. Then our gota patti. This color is so unique and different, very nice and mild. You can find a decent gota patti neck pattern. Alright, and this is the pant, and the dupatta is a different cotton kind of dupatta. It's so nice with a value added concept. So pretty, it is so lovely. And then once again it's a gota patti. Gota patti is now into trend. These are all very nice and decent gota patti. It's not so chamak kind of. And this is the pant, and see this dupatta. It's so pretty, lovely dupatta, right? So nice it is, lovely it is. And then this is a nice yellow yoke color, and with a decent beautiful gota patti and handwork on the neck pattern. And then this is the pant, and this is the dupatta. Dupatta all are so nice and so amazing, and it's very comfortable to wear also. See this, once again it's a black color, and it comes with a neck pattern. I'll open and show. This folding is entirely different. It comes with a different folding. Alright, and yes, this is the neck pattern for this. Oh, it's so nice. It comes with the handwork, and this is the back also is printed in this, and this is the top, and see the dupatta, lovely dupatta, nice and fine. Oh, it's a mix and match kind of, so beautiful it is. See how nice it is looking. Alright, and then the same blue color. Right, and this is a handwork on the neck pattern, and this is the pant for this, and see the dupatta is hand block printed cotton, all are soft cotton dupatta. The color combination is really brilliant, so nice. And what's next? This is a half tissue material. It gives really a rich look. This is a gota patti work with a rich look, and this is the pant, and this comes with the dupatta. See, the dupatta is so nice. The dupatta concept is so pretty in this. It's little bit of party wear kind of. And my last piece is this. It's a modal. It's a mild gota patti on the neck pattern. It's all handwork, and then this is a modal pant, and this comes with a shaded chiffon dupatta. Beautiful. It's so stylish and fashionable with a laria model. Alright guys, today the episode is done. Hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, Tirunelveli. Else you can call 958 550 1762, or else click the above link which is mentioned in my video, so that it will straight away directs you to the page. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon, and bye bye.